How to add resume in LinkedIn mobile app. Firstly, you have to install the LinkedIn mobile app in your Android or iPhone by clicking on the Play Store. Now open the LinkedIn mobile app in your phone. All these procedures will be applied on the phone Android as well as on iPhone. We are going to know that how to add resume in LinkedIn mobile app. Before this, just make sure watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. Okay, we are going to add resume. Firstly, you have to see at the bottom there is an option of job. You have to click on job here. Now this type of page will appear. You can see at the top right corner there are three marks, three dots. You have to click on it. You can see here at the bottom there is an option of application settings. You have to click on it. This type of screen will appear. You can see here upload a resume. Now click on upload a resume. You have to select any of the resume from your phone gallery and you have to, like I am going to select any of the resume here like this, and you can see that resume will be uploaded. Please upload a file less than 5 MBs in size. Your resume will be less than 5 MBs. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.